Hey guys, what's cracking? In today's video, we are in the beautiful Scenic Rim and we are going to take you to Moran Falls. This is going to be spectacular. So this place is pretty much just an hour from Brisbane, so it's not too far to travel, and holy moly, you get some awesome views here guys. You've got to check this place out. So today we're actually shooting for the Scenic Rim Council and we're going to be doing a video on these cool new walks that they're doing to empower women to get fit and get healthy and go and exercise. So we're here to document that today, which is really cool. So we're going to take you along for the trip, show you what we filmed, show you the awesome falls and everything along the way. We've had some rain recently, so hopefully she's flowing. It should be spectacular. There's a bit of cloud around, so we'll see how we go. This place is awesome. Get out, see your own country. Right guys, so we're on our way down to Moran Falls. Now you actually have to take a bit of a detour to get to the head of the falls. I don't know if technically you're supposed to come down here, but you just follow the creek, the little creek all the way down, and you'll come to the head of the falls. And hopefully this is going to be awesome. Let's go. Right. It's a bit sketch too. I'm in sneakers, so you might want to have some hiking boots maybe. Don't want to get your shoes wet. Been pretty okay so far. Alright guys, we have made it to Moran Falls. Check this out. Holy smokes. How awesome is this? And that's it guys, I hope you did like Moran Falls. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.